How to make a healthy burger. In a large mixing bowl, add the following: 500 grams of lean beef mince, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh continental parsley, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 large free-range egg, 1 tablespoon of grated brown onion, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix together with your hands until thoroughly combined. Divide the mixture into 6 equal round portions. Heat some vegetable oil in a large non-stick griddle pan over medium heat. One by one, cook the beef patties. Press down on the patties with a spatula. Ensure they are roughly 12 centimeters in diameter. Cook until they are medium well done. Remove from heat. Cut your burger bun in half. Place the cooked beef patties on the burger bun. Add another patty. Add another patty. Add another patty. Add another patty. Add butter. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add another patty. Add another patty. Add more patties. Add butter. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add more patties. Add more patties. Add butter. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add another patty. Another patty. Another patty. Add butter. Add cheese. Add cheese. Add another patty. Add butter. Cheese. 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 Add another patty. Add butter. Cheese. Cheese. Add another patty. Add butter. Add butter. Cheese. Add 4 liters of vegetable oil. Place down the top burger bun. Trying to eat healthy? Remove some of the burger. 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 Still too unhealthy? Cut the burger in half. Cut it in half. Not good enough toppings on the burger? Add lettuce. Add more 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 lettuce. Add eggs. Hit with spade. Smush up with your hands. Pick some up with your spade. Serve on bench top. Still got too many calories? Remove some of the burger. Remove more of the burger. Perfect. Enjoy your healthy homemade beef burger.